once again.
This is what we call a beautiful music. Hi, what's up everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today, we're gonna react to a brand new acoustic cover by Dimas Senopati. Now, this song is called Dear God, right? And the person who has sung this song is called Avenged Sevenfold. Avenged Sevenfold, right? So I'm eager to hear what's up in this song because once it's God's representation, I'm all for it, bro. I'm all for it totally. But I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So without further ado, let's dive in. This man's music, right? It's always so joyful. It's always so amazing to listen to his songs, right? He also have a beautiful voice as well, and his musical partner, it's always so beautiful. It's just a blessing to hear them like this, bro. People who have music like this in the palm of their hands can literally get a lot of love from others like myself, bro. When we are going through a phase in our lives, man, right? Getting some lonesome times, some loneliness times, bro. We have to just remember God, bro, because He always there to protect us. He always there to talk with us, man. And this music is It's hard, man. It's really hard, bro, to, go through life without any form of hardship. It's unbearable, bro. The song says, "Dear God," right? So I guess he's asking God or telling God his problem, bro. And I love that, man. To someone we love, but I think he's asking God to give him the strength to have that person back in their arms, man. Trust me, man. Right? He's lonely, man, and he's singing so the female could hear his voice, bro. I mean, like, music is essential, right? And once we could sing music and to express our feelings for someone who have hurt us or our surrounding of things that we have saw, then eventually it's gonna be a very beautiful music because I can tell that even the only person who is singing this song is going through a phase like this, bro. No, people can relate to music just as me, bro. Some search never find a way, man. A lot of people search and can't find things because where they are searching, that's not the way they should search, bro. Trust me. When we're searching for something or someone and we found it, we are one of the happiest things in the entire world, bro. And so for someone to find a girl who they have lost or a man who they have lost, it's a blessing, bro. It's nice, guys. Look, that was beautiful, bro. That was beautiful. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, please leave a like on the video, smash a subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next suggested video. Peace. Well done, Dimas. You have outdone yourselves again, man.